Hey guys, what is going on? This is Tanvir Ivan. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can update your Oppo phones manually. So guys, at first you have to download the firmware from Play Store, from the download link. I have several video about Oppo phones. So guys, my device is A1K. The model device model is A1K, Oppo A1K. So you can see my device model is Oppo A1K. So guys, now I will update this phone manually. So guys, at first I want to download this. I need to download this and keep this file in my phone storage or SD card. Here you can see there's the file. So now next step is to power off your device. Swipe down to power off. Yeah, you can see device turned off. After turning off your device, you have to press volume down plus power button, volume down plus power button at the same time. Press at the same time. When the Oppo logo will appear, you have to remove your fingers. Recovery mode. Wait for some time. Select language to English. Now from here you can see ColourOs recovery. From here you have to install from storage. Click on install from storage device. Here you have to enter your device password. Screen lock. I'm entering my password. Okay, you can see from phone storage I have no memory card, no SD card, phone storage, and now from download. So I have no firmware. I have no firmware downloaded. So guys, that's why I can't update. So you have to download the firmware first, then you have to install it. Here the update will appear in the download folder. If you download it, then click on it and install it. That's really easy guys, that's really easy. After installing, it will automatically reboot. Now I'm rebooting manually. Okay, reboot your device. Okay, thank you guys, that's all. Like this you can update your Oppo phones manually. So guys, if you find this helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to get notification uh, of our recent uploads. Thanks for watching our video guys. Thank you, stay tuned with us.